Good night. My name is Juan David Penagos, stage 5, exercise of, in English. Vacation with my mother in San Andres, Islas, Colombia. We traveled San Andres last year. The sea is very beautiful. Make happy play. It is very hot and it is cold. We were on boat to go around the bay and visit other islands. I am going to Tama City in the December because vacation um, of work. There like my brother, his name is Diego, and his head be wait with me for for me. Shizma there is very beautiful. The weather is good, and he is my brother. Thank you.